Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Good Day Agency under Jazz. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I understand English, ma'am, but not fluent in speaking, ma'am.
Okay, are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, ma'am, I have.
Okay, so remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your friends, okay? Because we
Yes, ma'am.
are no go out policy here, yeah? So
Yes, ma'am.
our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Second time. So why did you choose to come and work here in Malaysia?
I heard Malaysia is a there's a good employer, ma'am.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
My name is Rocky Navarro Camasen, 25 years old. I live in Kapalong, Davao, Philippines. My birthday is March 6, 2000. I have 8 siblings and my religion is Seventh-day Adventist, ma'am.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first. You are single, you don't have children.
No, ma'am. I'm still single.
What is your height and your weight?
My height is 53, ma'am, and my weight is 42, ma'am.
5'3", you mean?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your educational background?
I'm senior high school graduate, ma'am.
Senior high school graduate. So is your family allowed you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so according to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience way back 2023 to 2024 in the Philippines as what?
As a housemate, ma'am, in
Is it
Kapal.
1 year?
1 year, ma'am.
Okay, in which place, in which part of the Philippines?
In Davao City, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities there?
I'm clean the house and take care of the two dogs, ma'am. I'm
You
the
do
one
the
who cleans
house
the
chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing, and you take care of a pet, which is two dogs.
yes, ma'am.
After that, way back 2000, June 2024 to November 2024, you work in Qatar for 5 months only, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Why is that so?
Because
Why you
my I
didn't why you didn't
I
finish your contract?
didn't finish my contract, ma'am, because of lack of foods, not enough rest on 4 to 5 hours, and physical abuse, ma'am.
Are you the one who terminate your contract?
No, ma'am.
Your employer sent you back in the Philippines.
Yes, ma'am.
What is your job responsibilities there?
I'm the one who cleaned the house, ma'am, and take care of 5 children.
You do the house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing.
Yes, ma'am.
How old are those children?
The eldest, ma'am, is 15 years old. The second is 12 years old. The third is 11 years old. The fourth is 5, and the youngest mom is 5 months old, mom.
Okay. So are you alone inside the house or are you the only helper inside the house?
No, mom, I'm only one mom.
Okay, so you already know that being a domestic helper is a very tough job. It is not an easy job, you know?
Yes,
So you need to get ready yourself because you need to be flexible, you need to be multitasking, and you might experience those things also that you didn't experience in Middle East, okay?
yes, mom.
So are you ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, mom. I'm
Can
really
you
mom.
can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, mom.
Can you take care elderly people?
No, mom.
Can you cook?
Yes, mom.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving, but you cannot take care elderly.
Yes, ma'am.
What? Yes. You can take care elderly, yes or no?
I I only children, ma'am.
So
They
can you
can,
caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person? No.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you were going to sign a 2 years contract and any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home.
Yes,
Terminating
ma'am.
or breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with the rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or maybe find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness?
I will call my family after work, ma'am.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for yourself also at the same time. Any problems,
Yes, ma'am.
any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years. In
Yes,
Philippines,
ma'am.
you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the
Yes,
rules and
ma'am.
regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness?
I will call my family after work, ma'am.
Call your family after work. Okay, so as I have mentioned, you cannot easily go back home. You were going to sign a 2 years contract, okay? So don't tell me that, ma'am, I don't know, I cannot handle my job anymore. I wanted to go back home. I miss my family. No such a thing, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay
Thank
connected
you,
to
ma'am.
WhatsApp because global agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Thank you,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day.
Thank you, ma'am. Have a
Bye.
nice day.